This is Sarah. She graduated from a year and a half but hasn't worked yet. She tried many times to find a suitable job, but unfortunately found nothing. She decided to think about what does she miss the most in her job qualifications to develop, until she came up with this idea. To develop her language and also learn a new language which helped her in the work field. So she started to search on the Academy page for more information about the available courses. And she found that post. It explained that through suggesting your friends to have a course with Audio Academy, you will get 10% cash of the course value. By this, Sarah was able to work, not only to learn. With Audio Academy, you will always develop yourself.